Hello everyone, my name is Nikita. I'm from EC branch. My subject is Signals and Systems. And my topic is Next Generation Public Safety Networks, a spectrum sharing approach. Introduction. Public safety communication carries critical importance to save lives and property in case of incidents such as fires, terrorist attack, and natural disaster. The national broadband includes the enhancement of the nation capabilities as one key priority. Three major challenges face our nation public safety agencies in their use of radio communication. Lack of capacity radio spectrum allocated for public safety use in highly congested, especially in urban areas and during emergencies. Lack of interoperability, multiple frequency bands, incompatible radio equipment, and a lack of standardization. Lack of functionality, example support for high definition video. Remarkability, until recently, public safety communication has been handled via narrowband technologies that fall short on the string addressing the quality of service requirement of critical public safety. Public safety agencies have been working on the modernization of their communication network and the enhancement of their mission critical capabilities with novel technologies and applications. As part of these efforts, migrating from traditional land mobile radio system towards cellular enabled next generation mission critical network is a top of these agencies. In this paper, we provide an overview of cellular technologies ratified by a generation partnership project to enable next generation public safety network. On top of using wireless communication technologies, emergency first responder need to be equipped with advanced devices to develop si- situational awareness. Therefore, we introduce the concept of the internet of life saving things and focus on the role devices more preciously cellular enabled wearable in creating new solution for enhanced public safety operation. Finally, we conduct a performance evaluation of variable based mission critical applications. So far, most of the mission critical services evaluation target performance without taking into account requirement. In our evaluation, we examine the impact of devices and applications related parameters on the latency and the performance. We also identify major future consideration for better support for the student for the study requirements in next generation public safety network. Wireless communication. Wireless communication get rid of the shake, shackles of fixed location of wired communication equipment can communicate anything and anywhere and is favored as user at the same time. The continuous emergencies of wireless communication services has also promoted the progress of wireless communication technologies. With the continuous emergencies of new technology and the continuous expansion of wireless applications, the demand for wireless spectrum resources in the communication system is growing rapidly. However, the available wireless spectrum resources are very limited, and the available wireless spectrum resources are increasingly scarce, which seriously seriously hindering the development of communication technology. Therefore, allocation and optimization issues are very important. Hence, public safety organizations have to select appropriate communication technologies and solutions to provide their personnel with the required capabilities to offer delay sensitive, reliable, and secure services. Public safety networks utilize dedicated communication systems based on mobile radio technologies. This includes trunket radio for police and projects of the Association of Public Safety Communications official. The main service provided by LMR based networks to public safety to user are narrowband voice centric services such as priority calls with push to talk functionalities. However, public safety operations are expected to leap to the next level of efficiency by utilizing broadband data communications. Having matter and multi-service infrastructures, commercial cellular networks are considered to be an alternative for LMS systems. De- Deployment cost optimization and public safety service expansion are the main reason considered by the Critical Communication Association to select the long-term evaluation technology as the basis for future public safety implementations. With the same perspective, we advocate the use of cellular connectivity for public safety communication and propose complementing these capabilities with wireless communication for mission critical applications. Spectrum optimization problems. For the spectrum optimization problems, uh, game theory is mainly used. Game theory is a series of modeling and analysis tools used to study the interactive decision making process of decision markers with goals including the set of participants, the behavior of each participant, the preference of the participants, the order of the game, and the benefits of the participants. In these games is often used to represent a game. The income of participants is represented by and is multivariative functions about the strategies of each participant. Therefore, the game with participant can be expressed as this graph. In our previous work published in, we provide a state of the art overview of cellular connectivity for public safety communications and variable technology in the Internet of Life Saving Things. We then conducted a performance evaluation of mission critical service using cellular enabled variables with a focus on the performance indicators. Although the study of communication capabilities for public safety has been in the scope of several research works, the overall number of these papers in the literature does not reflect the significance of the topic. In the authors surveyed regulatory, standardization, and research activities dealing with wireless communications technologies in the public safety domains with a particular focus on the element system. However, the inability of traditionality used in LMS system to support modern data applications makes the migration towards standards that support the requirement of broadband services evident. Consequently, the author in performed a comparative analysis of legacy and emerging technologies for public safety communication. The spectrum allocation for public safety usage across all the frequency band in the unlimited states and the benefits of LTE based over LMR based public safety networks were among the main topic addressed in public safety. Made a start on modernizing their IT, but progress is uneven and difficult to manage in such missions critical environment. Welcome to the one place where you get all the information to drive your transformational change, become more responsive, engaged better with citizens, protect the public and save lives. Public security is a function of government which ensures the protection of citizens, persons in their territory, organization, and institutions against threats to their well being and to prosperity of their communities. Public safety networks were also studied in these works discussed how fourth generation cellular technology promises to provide an evaluation path towards broadband capabilities for existing a new public safety network. As the next step after 4G and 4G, the fifth generation standard brings massive improvements and novel capabilities for multiple vertical sectors, including the public safety industry. In the others, presenting a 5G solution proposed by the FASTER project for safe and efficient emergency response. The solution was based on 5G non-standalone arch- architecture and ultra reliable low latency communications. Cellular technologies are the communication solutions adopted in. However, neither of these works provided an updated summary of the cellular features ratified by 3GPP to enable the development of 4G and 5G based on public safety networks. Meet the increasing challenges in the public safety area. Responsible public institutions and organizations can tap into their own intelligence to successfully address possible threats in advance. They optimize their internal structure, use and carefully balance cost and benefits of their measures. Public safety organization includes law enforcement, fire and emergency medical services. The public safety issues that a multi municipality, country, state or federal judici- jurisdiction might with include narcotic use, noise, etc., behavior, etc. Generally, organizations are involved in the prevention of and protection from events that could be the safety of the generation public from significant danger, injury, or property damage such as crime or disaster. Here is a table that the Indian safety and security industry. Total market size is equals to total local production plus imports minus exports. Growth in India's safety and security market is largely due to the ever increasing requirements for safety, coupled with a boom in technological adaptation across all segments of society. While the market is price sensitive, increasing awareness of quality, reliability, and timely after sales services has led to wing, willingness from such customer segments to pay a premium for innovative and technologically advanced products. This presents a market opportunity for US manufacturers, suppliers, and solutions providers. Cybersecurity. The National Data Government Framework Policy, the National Cybersecurity Strategy, and the National E-commerce Policy are all currently in draft form. Although the authors in introduced to using variable devices by first responder, the presented use cases were limited in conventional high-end augmented virtual reality and low-ended Internet of Things applications. While augmented reality and virtual reality head-mounted devices were employed in for immersive remote presence, proposed the utilization of sensors and cameras in the system for disaster management. Other categories of variable with potentially more applications, such as watch type devices, are not included among the studied use cases. Therefore, a closer look at the potential role of variable technologies in cellular enabled public safety network is not provided in this work. In the scope of this paper, we aim to address the above identified research gaps in terms of cellular communication technologies and variable solutions for next generation public safety operations. India is consulting with the stakeholders to amended its 2019 Personal Data Protection Bill. In the 2019 bill, which was reviewed by a joint committee of parliament, submitted its final recommendation and a revised draft in November 2021. In June 2021, the India Standard published India's data privacy standards. Fire and life safety. Road safety. The Indian government national road safety policy outlines initiatives taken by the government to improve road safety activities across the country, including applications of intelligent transportation system under the national framework to establish safe and efficient Indian transportation networks. However, the process to acquire land for developing national highways poses serious challenges related to geographical specifications and landowner compensations. Infrastructures. Several Indian states are planning projects to develop power infrastructures, roads and highways, airports, high-speed transportation networks, special economic regions, safe and smart cities, and national emergency response systems. To achieve the target of an economy, the Indian government has planned to invest approximately 30 billion for smart city inactivities. These projects are expanded to provide opportunities for your safety and security companies. 5. Safety. High rise buildings and congested areas due to rapid urbanization across India are posing a major challenge for firefighting personnel. To minimize fire hazards, the Indian government is focused on introducing smart city technologies across the country, which will increase demand for advanced and innovative fire safety products and solutions as well. Thank you.